Hey everyone, today in this video, we're going to go over some common maintenance tips and tricks for the Roborock Saros 10R dock. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it with the latest deals and discounts will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's take a look at the dock here and go over some common things for some common maintenance. Starting at the top, we have our dirty and clean water tanks. Every once in a while, you'll want to make sure that these are washed and rinsed thoroughly. You don't have to use any special cleaner or solution. You can just use dish detergent if you want, and keep an eye on those. Inside here, you can wipe down occasionally if you ever notice any spills or anything like that. There are a couple holes that I noticed here. I believe those are actually to drain back to the unit, if I am correct on that, which is pretty neat. So a nice design element they incorporated there for both tanks. You shouldn't have to do anything here at all, but if you ever need to, check these for any obstructions and make sure that they're always clear. Nothing we need to address on the sides or the back of the unit, but towards the center here, we can remove this. This is where we can change the vacuum bag and where we can add solution. So if you ever want to rinse this out, you can go ahead and do that too. But that's where you'll fill up solution. You can wipe down in here if need be. Vacuum bags, you want to change those when full. Inside here, use some compressed air if you need to clean this out from any leftover residual debris. Further down, keep an eye on the charging contacts here. Make sure they're free from any buildup or debris. We have our self-empty vacuum channel here on this side, so you can visually inspect that and pull out any hair or clogs. Then down at the bottom, we have our removable tray. So we can pop that out to wash and rinse as needed. Same with this section of it. And then you can also pop this section out too. So just keep an eye on these, but very easy to just rinse these down or wipe them down even as you see fit. And most of the debris, any hair, grass clippings, things like that common around your house, those will collect right here, and very easy to just rinse everything off. You can also wipe down in here if needed, but usually everything's going to collect on that tray. If your ramp is dirty, you can remove that very easily, and you could rinse this off as well. So all the maintenance is simple, straightforward. Add more solution, change the dust bag as needed, use some compressed air to clean anything out, and then you can just wipe everything else down when you start to notice things building up on your station.